I feel it with my heart. We're afraid of them evil with them singing in a dark. Would have on the last shilling, me will spit it in a yo. Lately I have exceeded in the craft. I've lyrically mimicking the feeling of the rap. But the same man responds with the feeling of the arc. Try stepping on my shoes, couldn't fit in a me clock. Me cup run over, still in the grass. But I don't know, still having a me class. And them kind of chat make me daddy happy now. Get no you and sell out, you know, see me at the dad.
As I walk, as I speak, and I should fear no evil in my heart and in my soul. I should fear no evil, and I should fear no evil. And I say power to the people, and I should fear no evil. And I say power to the Look, I'm deep though. It's like soul searching. Look, let me give some poetry. Tell me how down. Whoa. Trying to walk with God, just like Nicodemus. We all got a story, trying to keep mind the realest. People dying fast and praying for deliverance. Not much change nowadays, cause we're still enslaved, trying to be the jack of all trades. Can't talk long, nigga, my phone tap. My words clear like a contact. I ain't making a move unless I see a contract. Yeah, look how long they've played us. Sick or not the only thing life created, premeditated, everything on the media fabricated. Trying to get design of my own. Listen, and as I walk, and as I speak, and as I speak, I should fear no evil in my heart, and in my soul, and in my soul. I should fear no evil, and I should fear no evil. And I say power to the people, and I should fear no evil. And I say power to the